Monday, April 20th. Heading out to field cultivate. We're going to start planting corn tomorrow. Some of the neighbors started field cultivating Friday, and then they started planting Saturday. So it's Monday about noon, and we'll be planting this tomorrow morning. Starting at this 50-acre field back here. Unfolding the field cultivator. The GPS is out of this Faraday 450 because I moved it over to the planting tractor. Because that's one of the main reasons we bought it, for the planter and sprayer. Not necessarily for the auto steer. I'm not sure that's going to be accurate enough. But to paint the field out so we don't miss short rows at nighttime, because you can miss them. And then you got a bare spot in the field, or you come back through and have to plant that spot you missed. Because we got strips. Might help if I hit the right lever. Here we go. We got dust flying. It's looking like this year will be the best planting conditions in 2 to 3 years. Like, I'm working this up, and even behind the field cultivator, it's not even that wet. It darkens the ground up a little bit, but not as much as in years past. But it'll get another 15 hours, 16 hours to dry yet, so maybe more, if I can do math right. Probably 20 hours. Wow. When I was doing oats, it was pretty wet, and I was working the hell out of this tractor, and right now I'm not even full throttle. I'm in 10th gear, I think. Don't even have the diff on. Let's see if I even need the front wheel assist. Yeah, it slows down, but it's doing good. This is a 50-acre field. Used to be our biggest field until we just rented some new ground this year, and now there's a 100-acre field there, so second biggest field now. Man, the dust is rolling, and it's only gonna get better. It's supposed to be dry this week. Slight chance of rain Wednesday, so we'll find out if that actually happens or not. Yeehaw, Plant 2020 is about underway. It is so windy. I've never flown in conditions so windy. That thing is going full speed ahead. It's supposed to be moving 30, and I can only get it to go about 5 or 6. I don't know if you can see it out there. Look, I let go of the controls. It's supposed to stay in place, and it's getting pushed backwards. Like, I have stick full forward, and it's barely moving. Never had it that windy, ever. That's crazy. Windiest conditions I've ever flown this thing in, easily. I can't believe that. So windy. Let's see how we tip this thing over. Wow. Didn't even tip it over. One-handed. Landed it on uneven ground. Don't know how I just did that. Seen dust like this in years. You look here, it's not bad, but we got such a strong wind. I don't know if you can see, just blowing dust straight across here. Once I turn around, it'll be a lot more visible from behind, but it's coming up and it's just blowing straight that way. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's reducing visibility. You can see some over here. We're almost to the end. We'll turn around and then you'll see it linger out into the distance. But it is really dusty. A little, working up a little lumpier than I thought it would, but still not bad. The road cleaners will just push them clumps right out of the way, so. It can still get dust a lot more, but I haven't seen dust like this in quite a while when I'm working ground. Let's hope it stays this way until we get everything planted. That was probably the most expensive shot that I've done in my entire life. This whole area here, 5x5, digging with my hands for nearly 10 minutes to find this damn thing. I thought it was gone. Whew. Never doing that again. I hope that shot was worth it. I mean, I ran that scope throw all the way back to the tines. Like, I watched it the whole time. That's where it's at, but it was not exactly where I thought. Whew! Man, I was scared.